don't use this oil during the daytime, only at night. Please don't use during the daytime, use only at night for best and fast results. So guys, look at what I'm holding here. Look. You guys know that I don't really like much ingredients for my production. Yes, it's against my rules. Like, I don't like it at all. Okay, I don't believe in that. I don't believe that if you want your product to be active, you have to pour James and John everything inside one production. I don't believe it. Just like this oil you are seeing now, this oil is wow. It's true, it looks like, you know, it looks so mild, it looks so calm, but if you want whitening up your skin, if you, no matter how tough, if you have a customer that will be like, hey, I have this on my skin, I have this, I have that, I want to whitening, I've used a lot of things, it's not working for me, just carry this oil, give them, you're good to go. Guys, this oil is extremely strong whitening, and it whitens in a healthy way, not Fanta and Coke, you understand? But when you use this oil, within 3 days you will notice like how your skin will be glowing. And if you have to use this oil, it's at night. So if you want to know how I make this oil, just watch this video to the end. And I know most of you will be like, this girl make her hair, waiting happen. Guys, last I carried my hair without making it. I'm just weaving it for over a year, and now since last year to date, like, I've never made my hair because I once used one relaxer like that, and you know, it damages my hair, and I was very angry because I love my hair so much. So I just be like, okay, the only punishment I'm gonna give my hair is just, you know, not making it until I treat it, and you know, my hair is about like good. So, and I want to travel, so I decided to make my hair. Guys, I look so beautiful, right? So this is the hair. I look so beautiful. So this is the hair, right? So I know most of you say insult me. So last you make your hair, blah 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 blah. Yes, I don't make my hair. I don't make my hair. Okay. So guys, the oil I have here with me is this, my extremely lady white oil. Guys, this oil is fire. If you're the type of person that be like, Precious, I don't like using cream, I just need oil and soap that can glow my skin, just give this oil a try. If you cannot make it because it's very expensive, I use just two products to make this production, but that two products is big, the activeness, the money, but it's better. Like, guys, if you can make this oil, you can never, like, you will never lose your customer. Any customer that uses this oil, like, you will never lose that customer. So, and my customers that want to, you know, to glow, whitening their skin and all that, we have this oil available. Guys, look at the product. This is our lady white soap. Look at it. I made a video about this soap. So subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification, so that each time I upload video, YouTube will let you know. Most especially this video, because I know most of you will be like, hey, I can't wait to, you know, make this soap. So I made a video about it. Don't worry, okay, I got you covered. So turn on your post notification. Okay, that is just it. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your post notification. I say it again. Okay, so this oil, guys, will help whitening up your skin. It's not for face, it's for body alone. This is lukewarm oil and it's extremely active. So I always advise you guys, it's not a must you pour thousands of ingredients inside one production just because you want it to be active. There's this one particular product that is far better than that 100,000 that 100 pieces of serums or whitening, all that you pour inside one production. So if you want to make your production, guys, just get a 2 ingredient, 3 ingredient, 4 ingredient that you know is very good. Just like this one, I said I used just our extremely glowing oil, though it's expensive, but if you can get it, guys, if you can get that oil and use just that 2 oil, you're good to go. Okay, and Be careful, most of people don't, they're not selling the original. This oil now, when you put it on your hands, it will be kind of warm on your, on your palm. When you put it on your palm, it's kind of warm. That is to show that it's very, very active. So sensitive skin type cannot use this. If you use this, it's gonna whiten you, like whitening. If you can't include this soap, you're good to go. Now like Gloria is your name. Okay, so just watch this video to the end and see how I make this oil, and follow the instruction. Smash the like button of this video. Okay, so guys, I have my mixing bowl here, and I have my spatula, and I have my oil. This is the oil we're going to use. It's just 2 oil, but this 2 is better than thousands of oil. Okay, so this is extremely whitening glowing oil, 1 liter, and we have this. That one is for just whitening, and we have this glowing carrots glowing oil. This one is just for glowing and help to lightening the skin as well, but the main one, the base, is the extreme whitening oil. Okay, so if you want to follow this recipe, these 2 oil is okay. It's not a must you pour a lot of oil before you know that your product will be active. There's 2 oil or 1 oil that is better than a lot of oils that you pour in there. It's kind of wasting money. So I'm pouring my extreme whitening oil. Look at how yummy it is, and this will be in 1 color. Like, it will be in 1 color, guys. I love this oil so much. Like, I love this oil so much. If you have a very stubborn skin, just try this oil. Like, if you have, no matter how stubborn that skin is, just try this oil. Honestly, you're not going to regret it. Just look at it. This is 2 in 1. Like, not every time you pour. It's not every time you pour 15 oil inside 1 production. Kilo shelle, what is going on? So this one now will be in 1 color. It will whiten your skin. Okay, at the same time it will whitening up your skin. This is it. This is how the oil is. Just look at it. So no matter how stubborn, look at it, no matter how stubborn that your skin is, I don't even know how stubborn that skin is, but you see this oil will help you to whitening up that your stubborn skin. Like, to help to whitening up that your stubborn skin. Guys, look at it now. Though the oil is very, very expensive, but at least be sure of what you are doing. Even if, guys, the truth here is that even if you give your customer a very nice oil and it's very, very expensive, guys, they will keep on getting it because they are seeing what they are, where their money is entering. But if you give them something of that is not really that active or damages their skin at a lower price, they will never come back again. Like, they will never come back again. Look at it. Look at the oil. You see how it is? You see the oil? It's in 1 color. It's very, very active. So if you use that money that you want to go and buy, that you used to buy 15 serums to pour inside 1 production, use it to get this oil. And if it's any amount you sell it, people will buy it because it's worth it. Look at the color, everything. Like, everything is perfect. Everything is perfect. So you can go ahead and try this. If you don't have oils that works for you, this one, no matter how stubborn that skin is, no matter how stubborn that your skin is, this oil must, like, is a must. So it must whitening your skin. Then to get a perfect result, use your scrub, and maybe you can include soap that is very active. You can include our 3-in-1 black soap. You can include our lady white soap. Any of our soap, you're good to go. And if you want us to make this for you to package and resell, we are available. Okay, we are available. And if you want to use, guys, I said, no matter how stubborn that skin is, just try this oil. Like, I'm giving you full assurance. Just make sure that the extremely whitening oil we are getting is original. Guys, it's expensive, but make sure it's original. If it's not original, don't come back and tell me that you try my recipe and it's not working. It's not my recipe. Just make sure you get original, okay? And the glowing oil, make sure you get original, not normal glowing oil. This one is carrot glowing oil, okay? So that is just it. Make sure you get original, and that your customer that will use this, or you that will use this, make sure you exfoliate your skin at least twice a week is good. And while exfoliating your skin, let it stay on your skin for at least 10 minutes. And if it's soap, let soap stay on your skin for at least 15-20 minutes to make the soap to penetrate very fast and work very fast and perfect on your skin, to compare when you just apply it and wash it off immediately. Okay, that is just the easy way for you to whitening up your skin. Like, the easy way for you to whitening up your skin is by letting the product to stay on your skin and scrubbing and following the instruction. Yes, please, before I forget, don't use this oil on your face. If you don't want to burn your face, don't use this oil. Do not even try it. Even if at night, midnight, don't use it on your face. It's very active, okay, and your face is very sensitive to compare your skin, right? So don't use it on your face. It's only your body alone. And at night, don't use this oil during the daytime, only at night, please. Don't use during the daytime, use only at night for best and fast results. Okay, you can use any of other of your products in the morning, then at night use this oil at night. Guys, just use this straight 1 week. Don't miss out for 1 day, straight 1 week. You are letting your soap to stay on your body for 20 minutes. You are scrubbing. In that 1 week, you scrub twice and you let that scrub to stay 10 minutes on your body, and you are scrubbing like you're using a good soap. You are scrubbing and you're using this oil only at night. Just get back to me in that 1 week. I give you 7 days, guys. You will see a lot of difference from this oil. Like, it's really working. It's really working. It's basically for people that have a very stubborn, like tough skin. Okay, if you are tired of using cream, hey, nothing works for me, only some people have mind to tell me that the product that work better for them is all this chemical product. I don't get it. Like, that it's chemical and you're saying that you prefer it because it works, it's whitening you more than other products. I don't get some people, sure, but it is, well, it's just choice. But before making those choices, just make sure you are you think twice. Okay, that is just it. Okay, so this is the oil. Go ahead and try it. Remember, this is just the 2 ingredients. Okay, this is just the 2 ingredients. Okay, and go ahead and try this and let me know under the comment section. Make sure the carrot glow oil we're using is original one. Okay, we use 1 liter, and the extremely whitening glowing oil is also a original one. Make sure you get from a right vendor. This is how it's gonna look. If you get it, this is how it's gonna look. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notification so you'll be the first to be notified each time we drop the video. You guys know I love you. See you on my next video. Bye.